take a look at this. So if we make our first payment here, okay, your second payment is $412.05. Okay.
Okay.
If you prepay that, you save $675.97 in interest you never have to pay, and you get rid of one payment for $412. Correct?
Yes.
But here's what we're talking about, and here's what I need you to know. So I'm going to put my calculator on the screen, okay? And when I put my calculator on the screen, I'm going to put in $675.97. So if I prepay the $412, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put this thing, shoot, I got to bring up my other calculator now on my phone. And so I'm going to put in $412.05. Okay. So let's say I don't have $412.05. Miss Blessed, I only have half of that. I'm going to divide my 412 by 2. That means I only have $206.02. Okay.
Okay.
So if I only have that to prepay, then I would save half the interest, wouldn't I?
Yes.
So let me divide my interest by 2 on the screen here. So if I put down $206, I would save $337 in interest. Is that worth it to save $337.98?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Because why? Because we're looking at the right place. We're looking at how much it costs to manage the debt.
Yes.
So I can save $337.06. But guess what, Miss Blessed? I don't have $206. You know what I'm getting ready to do, don't you? I'm gonna
double it.
I'm going to divide it by 2 again. I got $103 and a penny. $103 and a penny. So that's half of that. So now I'm going to divide my interest by 2. And now I can save $168, almost $169 in interest. I never have to pay the bank with my $103. Is that good?
Yeah.
But Miss Bless, I don't have $103. I have half of that. I got to divide that by 2. I got $51.50. Do you think I can find $51.50 somewhere?
Yeah.
And apply that to the mortgage? So if you're just looking at the $51 and apply that to the $250,000 that you owe, it doesn't even make a dent in how much money you owe. And we would be reluctant to do that, wouldn't we?
Mm-hmm.
So, but if I put this $51 on here, so I'm going to divide this by 2 again.
Wow.
I can save $84. So let me put it to you this way, Miss Bless. You give me your $51.51.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to give you back $84.49. How many times would you do that? Let me say it one more time. You give me $51.50.
Okay.
I'm going to give you right back $84.49. How many times would you do that?
2 times.
Really? Just 2?
Over and over and over and over and over.
I'm going to ask it one more time, Miss Bless. You're going to give me $51.50. I'm going to give you back $84.49 each time you do that. How many times are you going to do it now?
I'm going to keep doing it.
You're going to keep doing it. Do you realize that the bank has to do the same thing?
Yeah.
So that is a great return on your money. It makes it impossible for them to charge you $84.49, and you just keep doing it with small amounts of money. Pretty soon you're out of debt in 7 to 9 years with tiny bits of money. We just keep adding them up. I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to divide my $51.50 by 2, and I got $25.75. Listen, if I just dig around in my couch cushions long enough, I think I can find $25.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to divide that by 2. Divided by 2. Look at here, look at here, look at here. $42. So my $25 can save me $42. Listen, the stock market isn't even doing that right now. The stock market is losing money hand over fist. I can take $25, invest it in my mortgage, and turn it into $42.24 that I never have to pay them. Benjamin Franklin said a penny saved is a penny earned. So shoot, $42.24 saved should be $42.24 earned, correct?
Yes.
Ms. Bless, has this helped you today?
Yes.
So you don't need a lot of money to get out of debt. We just need to pay less interest. And we take what we have to work with and we optimize it by putting the right amount of money on the right day on the right loan. And we can figure you can save the maximum amount of interest per dollar. So here's basically what we do. Each family, each business, each church, okay, has a financial structure. We plug that into our artificially intelligent system. And it says, whatever money you have left over, put that in your savings account, Miss Bless.
Okay.
And when it reaches a certain amount for you, and that's an individual thing, when that money in the bank reaches a certain amount, the program says, tap on that money, get a certain amount out to the penny, and apply it to the right loan. And we will calculate the maximum amount of interest you can save per dollar applied. We're going to take all the stress off. We're going to take all the guesswork out of it by putting money in savings, and every 2, 3, 4 months or so, take money out of the savings and apply it to the debt. And because you're living well, because we're putting your lifestyle budget at the top, you won't feel as if you're working just to pay bills. You're having fun along the way. You're building up your savings and you're getting out of debt at an exponential rate where you can be out of debt, living well in an average of 7 to 9 years by following this method. How do you feel about that now?
I feel great. I'm really happy I came into this room.
I'm so happy you came into this room too. Will you please go up to the top of there, click on the link up there, or just put in ice10k.com, choose get a savings and earnings report, follow the instructions, get the code, put it in, get to our financial form, put that information in, fill out the form, and someone from my staff will give you a call and set up a consultation for you. And you'll know the month, day, and year you're going to be debt free and how much interest you're going to save. And we're going to take that interest saved and show you how you need to put that into building generational wealth for your family instead of building up wealth for the banks. Okay?
Yes. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You are so welcome.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L. method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.